I'm so excited for this unboxing. It is a Spirit Halloween Crackles the Clown. So I am just so excited for him. Ever since he got leaked in December, I wanted him so bad. Here's the front of the box. Here's the side. There's the face split and open. There's the story. Not reading that though. And here's the other side. So let's get this guy opened up because I am so excited for this thing. Pull out tray box. Okay. Yay. I hate the pull out trays. Okay. So we're gonna move back here. Okay. I see his head. This is so hard to get out.
Take the other end.
I'm trying to not break the box. Okay. This box is ginormous too. I believe I'm like the 7th unboxing of him. I don't know. Here's his instructions. Just still in the bag. Here's his arm. There's the hook. Here's his foam tube for the leg. These are so small. God, these are really small hands. I think these are like about the same size as mine. Here's another foam tube. His bolts, which I'm gonna unwrap that. Don't want to break anything. Here's, okay, if I take the clothes off, I'm gonna see him, the face. There's the arm. Here's stakes for him because he's waterproof. The back frame. The shoes, which are actually, fun fact, these are just a little thing of Head Case Harry's. These are the same mold. So they're hard, not gonna break. Cardboard. More cardboard. His box. Not his box, his voice box. Gonna take that out. I'll cut that a little later. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the head. Here's the clothes. Now I'm going to pull out the head without looking so you guys tell me how it looks. Does the head look good?
Yeah.
Oh, that is such a cool... That is such a cool head. I love that. I love that head. This is way better when you see him in person. Gonna take this tape off because that holds the face inside. And I know.
Supposed to do that yet?
Yes, you are. You're supposed to do it. Other YouTubers that are more famous than me do it.
Okay.
It's try not to break it. So at least it doesn't take off the coloring. But that is what the face looks like. Now I can't open this because the motor shuts it. But most hair on Crackles actually doesn't come that good of position. Like most hair is like all over the place.
Yeah.
Oh, why is this opened? Here's his
It's a big cord.
cord. Big cords mean the animatronics
I mean, it's like
waterproof.
thick wire. Oh, okay.
So at least when we put bags on him, because that's what we do to protect them from the rain. At least if the rain does somehow get in, it'll be fine. Okay, so first thing you want to do, put the face down. He's being manufactured by STI, my favorite company. Here's the shoes.
I can zoom in, Luke.
There's holes on there. Put them on there. The prototype of him actually had smaller shoes. Here's people. I heard that these. Yeah, I the wrong pole. There is right and wrong poles on this guy. That is hard to snap lock in. I'll turn him around, or Mom could come here. Now you get the phone tube and slide it over like that. The other animatronics I like this year that I want to get is Harmonica Hank, the Pennywise, and also Pumpkin Punisher. I really do like Pumpkin Punisher, but that price of $350 is kind of a lot. Well, maybe we'll see for my birthday. This is so hard to open. Okay, here's the collar with the blood on it. I'm gonna take that tag off. Because I don't want the tag. Oh. So here's his pants. I'll take off the tags when I have it, but when we demo it. And it's supposed to be rips at the bottom. Before people started getting him in the mail, like other YouTubers, I thought that the face that I forgot what I was gonna say. I thought that this is a pretty average setup, but before people started getting him in the mail, I thought there would be some really hard like screwdriver thing on the face, but it's nothing but that tape you gotta get off. I did hear if you don't get the actually that's in the back anyways. I did hear if you don't have the wires in the where are the scissors? Oh. I did hear when you don't have the wires in the right position, he will not work though. And I saw what position you need it to be in, so no worries. Come on.
Let's do a quick break to the chickens.
Yep. Okay, got it.
Okay. You can see them. Okay.
So, while I take this other part of the tag off, if you guys don't know already, At Home actually has their Halloween stuff out.
Do they? Oh yeah.
Raven, pause. Okay, we're done with that. So, then we'll snap lock it. We'll get this on. I'll spin it around so you guys can see. Oh, quick snap lock. Okay. Why is it so hard? It's fine. It doesn't have to be in, I guess. Come on. Okay, there. So now you pull the pants to go around here. And he is already looking like him. Now, I heard that you actually get the head on instead of getting this on first. And I saw of how you do that, so let's get this magnificent head on. I thought it would be red hair, but it's actually more pink. I think I'm gonna go over here. I'm too short. When we bought him, it took so long to come in the mail. Now I'm gonna get the wires right there. This guy's kind of tall. Okay, now come over here. Now the position you want to get them in, you want to get them like straight right here, just like really organized. There is a certain way you get the wires in too. Yeah. Screw that in. This is weird. I've never seen like a cord like that on any animatronic. You just want it to be organized when you're getting it on. You also have to check which way you get the wire in. I believe this is the right way. I do not know if this is the right way or not. Oh, well, it's on. I'm just going to screw it in. Oh. Don't know why there's so much white wires on this guy, though. Just like I said earlier, definitely helps that this guy is waterproof.
I'm letting Raven out. I'm still...
Don't want her to murder the chickens.
She's not going to.
Okay, so Crackle's looking great. So now you want to get the back frame. Remove him. Want to get the back frame on the hook back here. And I think I heard that Spirit Halloween is actually gonna be releasing the rest of their stuff tomorrow or today. I forget. So we're gonna do this. Then it just opens all together like that. It is a little annoying. Okay, and now there's a little Velcro slot in here, so I'm going to put the sensor in there. And there it is. Yep, she's leaving the chickens alone. Now, come over here. You grab the cord on him and run it down the leg. Run it down the leg like that. And then grab the end of it and put it through here. Get at the top. And screw that in. Now I'm gonna get the rest in there. And now you go down here and pull down the cord. Yeah, this might take a second. Okay. And readjust the pants. So, now, grab the arm and run it down the hole in here. This is an easy step. Hold on. So there. Now grab this arm and run it down the other slot. Oh. It doesn't matter which arm you get in first, it's just kind of the same. Raven's over there.
Oh. What's she doing?
I don't know, she always goes over there.
Raven. 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 Look out between your legs.
What?
Raven.
Raven! Raven! Come in! Raven! Oh. This dog.
She'll be when she's ready.
Okay, now you're going to go up the back. Come here. Come here. This guy's pretty simple setup. Untwist this because on mine it's twist. Then get the fork hook connectors to stick out. Now grab the hand. This guy is ginormous in person, but not ginormous, it's kind of his average size. He's bigger when you see him. Now get the cotter pin in. Whoa. And get it around the hand. Like that. These are still so small.
They are really tiny hands.
What?
They're very tiny hands.
That's what I was going to say. These are still very, very small. There's a lot of unboxings of this, so I'm kind of sad I'm late to it. But it's fine. Still got him here. Where is Raven? Oh, she does. Okay. Now where'd that cotter pin go here?
And don't forget the.
I know. Now get it through that slot. So hard to do this. Okay. Now you can do that. Now on this, make sure you have to put it on a certain way. So usually with animatronics, you just put it around them like this. Do not do that. You put it around the Velcros here because if this blocks that, then it'll not open. I'm gonna twist this guy around. Okay, come over here so I can show you guys how to do it. So this, which one's the front piece? This, just get that on there. Get it on those little Velcros. Now, boom, and boom. Now,
That's what it's supposed to look like.
now, yep, that's what he's supposed to look like. He is ready. So let's get Raven in. And we're gonna pause and I'll see, try this now. I do not know if I fixed it. Let's see. Come on, buddy.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick?
What is going on?
Ta-da! What do you think?
Swear to God, this thing don't work. Oh yeah, I turned him off. Okay.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick?
Yes, you were.
Ta-da! What do you think?
That's pretty
For my
creepy.
next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
Let's do it again.
Mom, did you see